Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you already know by the title, this is another haul, but this is a try on makeup haul. So I have used everything I got on my face and this is the look I came up with. So to see what all I got and how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell down below and comment and share with your friends, and let's get started. So we are going to start off with our first box, which will also be the first step of applying the makeup. So make a guess, and this is from Nykaa. So this is how the box looks from inside, and so this is the pouch, the standard Nykaa Luxe pouch, and here the product comes out. I got Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer and Primer Water, as I got this primer duo. Ignore my nails, I'm giving them a bit of rest, so there's no nail polish and nothing on them. So this is the primer, Photo Finish Primer Water. This is silicone free, alcohol free and oil free, and this is the mini size. This is never available on Nykaa. This is for 850 rupees, and this is the standard Photo Finish Primer. This is also oil free. So I'm just taking a pea size. So I see that many of you guys watch my videos but do not subscribe. Why do you do that to me? Please subscribe or else 12 years of bad luck. Do you remember those WhatsApp messages that we used to get initially, that post this picture of Lord Shiva or else you will have a 5 years of bad luck? Those were really funny. I never reposted them. And some people really used to do that. I don't know why. I think I'm also going to use the primer water. And now for the foundation, I don't really have a foundation, but this is the sample. This is the CC Complexion Care Cream and this is in the shade beige. But I never really have tried it, so if it works, great. If it doesn't, I'll move on to my regular Nykaa foundation. This is a very strong fragrance which I'm not liking. Oh god, this is too white for me. So I ended up using a beauty blender because this was clinging onto my face. Even though my face was nicely moisturized and primed, I like the coverage that it gave me. Definitely I liked it, but it's not bad. Yeah, I like it. So before moving on to concealer, I want to do my eyebrows, and for that I have got something from Sephora, and you guys must have seen it if you guys follow me on Instagram. This is precisely my brow pencil from Benefit. So I'll just start with the spoolie side and I'll comb through my eyebrows and then I'll just fill them in. I like my eyebrows to look very thick. I don't like slim eyebrows, and that is why I've stopped even threading them. I do them myself. The eyebrows are all done now, and now we'll move on to this huge ass box, and this is all the things that is inside it. So for the concealer, I don't have a new one, I have a repurchase. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind, so I'll use the one I have right now and it's not yet over. I love it. So I'll use my PAC 221 brush. So now we are going to use this powder that I have. Actually, I have got two powders. This one, which is the Maybelline White Super Fresh with Pure Pearl Light powder. This is very cheap, comes for 160 rupees. But today I'll be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette because I have never used this. So I'll just take this brush and try to bake with it. This is a very pigmented powder. So I'll keep the bake for some time and move on to our eyes. So first I'm going to prime my eyelids with the same concealer. I'm going to set my eyelids with the same Wet n Wild Mega Glow powder. I'll just dip the brush in, dust it off, start pressing it. This step is really important if you want your eyeshadow to look good and not just cling into the natural oils that is present on your eyelids. So I have a new eyeshadow brush, and this is from NYX. This is the number 17 crease brush, and I'm going to take this shade from the palette and apply it to my crease. So I have no particular look in my mind that I want to create today. I'm just winging it totally. All the products and link to my Instagram account will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Okay, so the crease is done. So the next product that I have is actually a birthday gift from someone. This is the Kiko Milano eyeshadow. These are the eyeshadow singles and this is in the shade 02. I'm not sure if they have any particular name of the shade, but I'll just try to link it down below. So this is a very pearly champagne kind of shade. Let me swatch it. So I'm going to use this on my lids now. I think I'm going to use the next thing that I got. I think you guys have already seen it. This is Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore. And I'm going to just add it to the outer corners. So I kind of like it. I'll just blend everything in with this brush from Wet n Wild. So I'm just going to deepen my crease a bit more, and for that I'm going to use my Morphe palette. I have hooded eyes no matter what I do on my lids. No one can see that. Taking brunette and further deepening the crease. I think I just want to deepen the outer corner a bit right here, and I'm going to take the shade Fawn for it. Okay, so now time for the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'll take the shade brunette and just simply run it. Yeah, that's it for the lower lash line. So for mascara, as you already know, I have Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, so I'm going to use that. But I think I want to do a liner. Let's try. Okay, so we are done with the eyes, and now I think I'll just remove the bake. I'll just use a nude pencil on my waterline. This I have bought long time ago. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama. And now using the contour shade from the same Wet n Wild palette. And for that I'll be using the Wet n Wild face contouring brush. I got this big fluffy powder brush from Wet n Wild. Very affordable, very soft as well. Now for the blush, I'm going to use the Milani Baked Blush. This is the only thing I'm using. And I'm going to take this blush brush from the brand called Ocean. I really like it. This is again affordable. I think this came for rupees 200 and it is very soft and really nice. So I'll just quickly show you other products that I have bought. So I have got this Maybelline Duo Shaper Fashion Eyebrow Pencil in the shade brown. I have finished 5 of these, I guess, and this is again a repurchase. And the next and the last thing that I have got is this On The Spot Brush Cleanser from NYX. This is for rupees 900 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is for rupees 900 and this is how it looks. And for the lips, here is again a birthday gift for me. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream and this is in the shade Copenhagen, but I think this is going to be a bit darker, keeping this look in mind. So I'll just infuse other lip color with it, but I'll be using this. So I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Sandstorm to just lighten it up. So this is the lip color that it became after mixing both the colors. So now I want to line my lip with this Miss Claire lip liner. So this lip liner is in the shade Floral Pink. And for the highlight, I will use the same single eyeshadow from Kiko Milano and taking this brush. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm loving this glow. I think this look will be a very perfect Indian look as well. So let me just try on a bindi and see how it looks. So I have just applied this bindi and I think this will be a very nice Indian look as well. Yeah, I like how it looks. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see an Indian look as well, because now I want to do it. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye bye.